All right, today we're going to take a look at our entry-level wireless earbuds. Not much to these. Everybody knows what earbuds are and how to hook them up, but we're going to do a quick little walkthrough on it here. All right, so in the package you get all the stuff you would expect. An owner's manual gives you the instructions, how to pair it, that sort of thing. Charging cable, of course, which plugs into right here on the earbuds. You have a nice little case. Obviously the case is a battery that charges the earbuds when they're not in use, and then you just charge the whole case. 2 earbuds, good looking earbuds. Redo that. Alright, so when they're in there, they're charging. You take them out. Starts flashing red and blue, which means you need to pair them. So we're going to do this on our, it's an Android phone, but same idea on an iPhone. So we're going to pair a new device, and it tells you in the manual what they're called. And here they are right here. This, I don't know if you can see it, the TWS. You would click that, pair with them. You can allow it to access your contacts and call history, so you can use them to make phone calls and whatnot. They are activated. Let's see if we can, not that you're going to be able to hear it, but try to find something. All sorts of stuff on here. All right, whatever. Here, we'll click this. So I don't know if there's a way for you to hear this or not, but they are working. Both of them, whatever. So that's all there is to it. When you're done with them, back in the case, you got, it's labeled left and right. I believe they will only fit one way. Yeah, so you put in the wrong one, it's not going to fit. But in the other one, drops in magnetic. Oops. Magnetic. You can see where the red lights, they're both charging. Close it, you can still see the red lights are charging, and that's it. And you let them sit in there until they're done. Use them again. Very easy to pair, very easy to charge, and have very good sound quality. I use the Pixel Buds on a daily basis, and these are very close to sounding those, and those were, I think, $180. These are $15. So very good earbuds for that price. Thanks for watching.